Hello students, good morning. Today is 29 September 2021 and we are learning multiplication of two-digit numbers by one-digit number without carry. And I had sent you a video about that ferries and buses and aeroplane. So how we have calculated the number of people who were, it means how number of people were sit in aeroplane, in ferries. So related video I had sent you. I hope that video you have watched, because if you haven't watched that video, so maybe you won't understand how to solve this example. So before solving this, you have to watch that video first. It means which are the method, why we are solving this, what is the method. So open page number 89 students, and exercise 5.7 we are going to solve. And the first example in front of you, that is 41 multiply 2 here. 41 multiply 2. Now students, you know that who is a multiplicand and who is multiplier. Here 2 is multiplier, and I hope you have recited table at least till 5 or 6. If not, you have to recite, you must recite all the tables 2 to 10. Okay, and we will take practice every day after the video. 2 tables we will recite every day, so don't worry about that. But again, speak and write that table again and again on slate or in notebook, or maybe on the blackboard if you have at home. So you have to speak and write that table. Okay, now 2 is multiplier. What is the first step? Always we solve example of addition or subtraction from ones place. Like this, here also we have to solve multiplication example from ones place. हमें example कहाँ से solve करना है? Ones place से solve करना है. You can see in ones column, this is 4-digit number, sorry, 2-digit number. Here it means TO. You know that? O means ones, T means tens. 41 multiply 2. 2 is multiplier. Okay. Now first multiply the 1. You can see in ones column, 1 ones multiply 2. So here we will start table from 2 up to 1 or up to 1. It means 2 ones are 2. So here we will write 2. Okay. First step is completed. Which is the second step? Step number 2 is multiply the tens. In tens column you can see there is 4. And multiply with 2. So multiply 4 tens by 2. Start the table, say the table of 2 up to 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, and 2 fours are 8. These are the steps. Only 2 steps will come and we will get our answer. Okay. Next example. 22 multiply 3. 3 is multiplier. Speak the table of 3 up to 2. 3 twos are 6. Second step. You have to multiply 2 by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. So our answer is 66. And sometimes if 0 is there, use the property of 0. 40 multiply 2. In one's column there is 0 and below side multiplier is 2, which is the property of 0. What is the property? If we multiply the number by 0, always answer will be 0. Answer is 0. So 2 multiply 0 is equal to 0. Okay. Now in tens column, 4 is there. 2. Speak the table of 2 up to 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. This is the step, and these examples are called without carrying examples of multiplication. Okay. यहाँ पे हम कैरी करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं, बिकॉज हमें आंसर एक ही डिजिट में मिल रहा है, इसलिए हम कैरी नहीं कर रहे हैं. ओके. 14 multiply 2. 2 fours are 8. Write in ones column. 2 ones are 2. Write in tens column. So your answer is 28. 9 multiply 0. Answer is 0. Then multiply 3 by 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27. The answer is in 3 digit. So answer is 270. So write like this, below the tens place write tens place number, and in front of that tens place number you have to write 2 because 2 has 100 plus. We got answer in 3 digit. Okay, understood? Next, 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8. 4 is multiplier. Speak the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So in tens column we will write 8. Now 3 is in tens column. So multiply 3 tens by 4. Multiply 3 tens by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8 and 4 threes are 12. So our answer is 128. Okay. 6 ones are 6. 6 ones are 6. Alright. 9 multiply 0, 9. 9 nines are 81. 810 is our answer. 3 twos are 6. 3 fours are 12. 126. 3 twos are 6. 3 tens multiply by 3. 3 threes are 9. 96 is answer. 8 ones are 8. And in tens column there is 9 tens multiply 8. What is the answer will come? 8 nines are 72. Okay. 3 ones are 3. 3 fours are 12. Like this you have to solve the example, students. Are they difficult? Very hard? No. They are very simple examples, no? 3 twos are 6. 3 fours are 12. Alright. 6 multiply by 0. 6 multiply 0 is 0. And 6 eights are 48. Alright. Understood? How we are writing the answer of given questions. Okay. Now next. That is below side 16, 17, 18, 19. That is 5 example is for your homework, dear students. Okay. And open page number 90. Now here, now we are learning multiplication of 2-digit numbers by 1-digit number, but with carry. With carry. Here you can see some examples I have written in my math notebook. So first example, students, you can see there 12 multiply 7. Okay, this is 2-digit number. It means according TO, according their place value they have written. Okay. Now first step of multiplication is those number in one's column, that number you have to multiply first. So here 2 is multiplier, 7 is multiplier. So always start from table of 7. And here at the top side you can see there is 2. It means pick the table up to 2. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. We got answer 14. Now here 14 means how it is expanded form is 10 plus 4. It means 1 10 and 4 ones. If we get answer in 2 digit, that time what we do, students? That ones place number we write here and the tens place number we carry in tens column. है ना? हमें आंसर किस में मिला है? 2 डिजिट में मिला है 14. 4 को वंस प्लेस है, 1 को टेंस प्लेस है. तो हम क्या करते हैं? एट ए टाइम दोनों नंबर्स यहाँ पे नहीं लिखते हैं. हम क्या करते हैं? वंस प्लेस नंबर यहाँ पे लिखने के बाद जो नंबर को टेंस प्लेस है उसको कैरी करते हैं, उसको यहाँ से उठा के उसके कॉलम में हम लिख देते हैं, है ना? यही तरीका होता है ना, हमने एडिशन में भी सीखा है. सो 2 sevens are 14. That is in 14, 4 has ones place, 1 has tens place. So here we will write 4. And where we will write 1? Here we will write 1. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? यहां तक आपको समझ में आया है ना स्टूडेंट्स, ये कैसे किया है? क्योंकि अगर ये समझ में नहीं आता है तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी, इसीलिए आपको क्या करना होगा, ये समझना बहुत जरूरी होता है. ओके, 12 multiply 7, 7 to the 14. That is why we wrote here 4 and we carried 1 in tens column. Now which is the next step students? अभी नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या आएगी? आपको क्या करना है, इस 1 टेंस को भी मल्टीप्लाई करना है 7 से. तो 7 का टेबल आपको कहां तक बोलना है? वंजा तक बोलना है. 7 वंजा 7, 7 वंजा 7. स्टेप यहाँ पे खत्म हो गई है क्या? No, step is not completed because the carry number is there. So after the multiplication, what answer will come? In that answer you have to add the carried number. तो आपको 7 में क्या ऐड करना पड़ेगा? 1 ऐड करना पड़ेगा. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8 and finally in tens column you have to write 8. So your answer is 84. So this is the step. These are the steps while solving the examples of 2-digit number by 1-digit number, and the answer will come. Answer is coming in 2-digit. So these are called with carrying examples. तो यही method है. So one more example we will solve students. Now next example is 38 multiply 4. Okay. So in 4 is multiplier. Speak the table of 4 up to 8. 4 8s are, what is the answer? 32. Okay. 2 will come here. 3 will carry in tens column. Now 3 tens multiply 4 ones. 4. So 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12, and in 12 add 3, that is 15. So your answer is 152. Understood how we solve? Okay, next example. Here 56 multiply 5. 5 6 are 30. 0 will come. 3 will carry in tens column. Now after this, multiply 5 tens by 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25 and add this 3 in 25. 25 after 3 fingers, 26, 27, 28. And your answer is 280. Alright, how we are solving? Okay. 8 to the 16. What is the answer? 16. Write 6 here, carry 1 in tens column. 8 to the again 16. 16 plus, add the carry number. 16 plus 1, 17. So your answer is 176. Understood how we have solved these examples? Okay. Okay. Now next, in our textbook. So page number 90. Open that page number, and how we will solve these examples. Pay attention here. 12 multiply 7. Okay. 7 2s are 14. 4 will come. 1 is carry over. Okay. 7 1s are 7 and plus 1. That is 84. Okay. Now our example is completed. Second. 16 multiply 3. 3 6 are 18. 8 will come. 1 is carry over in tens column. 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 4. Alright. 2 7s are 14. 4 is here. 1 is carry over in tens column. Speak the table of 2 up to 3. 2 3s are 6. In answer, add carry over number. It means 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Okay. 3 7s are, 3 का टेबल 7 तक बोलो आप, क्या आंसर मिलेगा आपको? 21. 21 नंबर है, वंस कॉलम में क्या दिख रहा है आपको? 1 दिख रहा है, तो 1 को यहाँ पे लिखो और 2 को क्या करो? कैरी करो। अभी 3 का टेबल आपको टेंस कॉलम में क्या दिख रहा है आपको? 2 दिख रहा है। 3 2 जा 6 एंड 6 प्लस 2 8। ओके, नेक्स्ट 5 3 जा 15, 5 विल कम हियर, 1 इज कैरी ओवर अगेन। 5 1 जा 5 होता है और प्लस 1 उसमें ऐड करो। 5 1 जा 5 प्लस 1 6, so your answer is 65. Okay, 5 7 जा 35, 5 is here, 3 is carry over again. 5 1 जा 5 प्लस 3, 5 में 3 मिला है, कितना आंसर आया? 8 आंसर आया। ओके, सॉरी स्टूडेंट्स, अंडरस्टूड। नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, 4 3 जा 12, 2 is here, 1 is carry over. 4 6 जा 24, 24 plus 1 25. Okay, next 5 2 जा 10, 0 is here, 1 is carry over. 5 2 जा 10, 10 plus 1 11. So your answer is 110. Next 2 7 जा 14, 4 is here, 1 is carry over. Okay, 2 6 जा 12, 2 6 जा 12 और 12 में हमने एक ऐड किया, 1 ऐड किया, सो आंसर इज 13. इट मीन्स 134 इज योर आंसर. 8 2 जा 16 है, तो 6 को यहाँ पे लिखेंगे, 1 को कैरी करना है. नेक्स्ट क्या है? टेंस कॉलम में आपको क्या दिख रहा है? अभी 5 है और 5 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है? अब हमको 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. तो हमें क्या करना है? 8 का टेबल कहाँ तक बोलना है? 5 तक. 8 5 जा 40 और ये जो 1 है उसे ऐड करना है. सो 40 प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 41. सो योर आंसर इज 460. ओके, नेक्स्ट 9 3 जा 27. 7 is here, 2 will carry over in tens column. Now next is 6, that is 6 multiplied by 9 is equal to 54. 54 और ये कैरी नंबर जो है 2 से ऐड करना है, that is 56. So your answer is 567. 2 8 जा 16, 6 will come, 1 is carry over. 8 2 जा 16, 16 plus 1 17. 5 3 जा 15, 5 is here, 1 is carry over. 5 4 जा 20, 20 plus 1 21. 4 5 जा 20, 0 is here, 2 is carry over. 4 4 जा 16, 16 plus 2 18, 180. 8 3 जा 24, 4 is here, 2 is carry over. 8 5 जा 40, 8 5 जा 40, 40 plus 2 42. Okay, so our answer is in 3 digit. Okay students, understood how we are solving these examples? Maybe in the starting you won't understand anything, but no problem. Again watch this video and try to solve that examples on slide. So by practice you can solve these examples. Example number 16, that is 68 multiply 9. Okay, 9 is multiplier. So from ones place we will start. 9 8 is 72. 2 will come in 1's column, 7 will carry. Okay, now next is 6 multiply 9. Start the table of speaking. 9 9 6 is 54 and 54 plus how many are they? 7 are they. So 54 में हमें कितने ऐड करने हैं? अभी 7 ऐड करेंगे तो क्या आंसर मिलेगा हमें? 54 55 56 57 58 59 60 एंड 61. काउंटिंग कहाँ पे खत्म हो गया हमारा? 61 पे खत्म हो गया. ओके, एंड दिस ओनली 4 एग्जाम्पल इज फॉर योर homework, dear students. Okay, so you have to complete this homework, page number 90. All right, so bye bye and take care, and try to solve many examples of without carrying and with carrying. Till bye bye and watch this video.